So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to multiply fractions. Now getting into the video. So let's first look at the question we got here on the top. It is 1/2 or 1/2 times 1/5 or 1/5. So we simply just do this. Let's just first write the fraction because we know it's going to be a fraction. We first look at our section. Let's first look at the first section over here, the first fraction I should say. We already know our parts of a fraction, okay? The bottom is the denominator, how much max pieces you have, I'll label that as D, and the numerator, how much pieces you currently have. And then pretty much it's the same for all of them. Sort of just think of this as one whole fraction, okay? And like that, there's also the denominator. So you just multiply each section by each section. You multiply the numerator by the numerator. So like that, you get 1 times 1, which is 1. And then now you do 2 times 5. You just multiply both denominators and you should get the answer. Just like that, 1/10. And there's another way to think of this. You can think of this as a whole entire fraction by itself. Like that. It represents the same thing, but it's just less common. But you can also write this as another way, because at the end of the day, let's go back to here, we're gonna do the same operation, okay? We're gonna multiply both numerators and both denominators, so might as well just write it as a whole entire fraction. And then so let's just do it, okay? Like that, we would still get the same answer. Like that, exact same answer, just another way to show it. Now let's go on to the last question of this video, the bottom one. So let's first look at our numbers at the top, aka the numerators. We just multiply the numerators by the numerators, and then we get 18. And then let's just multiply the denominators by the denominators. So 5 times 7, which is 35. And we can obviously simplify this if we divide each. We cannot do it. Sorry, my mistake there. This is its simplest form. Okay, this is the most simplest way this can get. Okay, and then your answer, just cross that out. I made a mistake there. You would get this as your answer, and these two as your answer. Exact same thing. So just remember, just multiply the denominators by the denominators, multiply the numerators by the numerators, and then you can also write it as this, just one whole entire fraction. It means the same thing, and you're going to do the exact same things. Just multiply both denominators, okay? Multiply both numerators. We did that. So simple as that. I would say the most simplest operation in math. In fractions, it's just super simple. Just as long as you know your multiplication facts, this is a piece of cake. It's nice and easy. So guys, this is the end of the video, and I'm out.